actually gonna go put my stuff away and then come back down and fish.
We'll just leave here and open.
You gonna fish the boat?
Morning at the island camp on No Name Creek. Randall's got the fire going.
Yeah, we do. Have a nice
And I'll tell you what Randall's going to have. I'm not even going to look. He's going to have grips and spam. What we got here? Grips and spam.
Well, I run out of those nice...
Don't stray too far from what you know.
I ran out of the scrambled eggs and bacon. I still like the grips.
You talked me into making my rice and chicken for lunch.
And mashed potatoes. We got mashed potatoes.
And mashed potatoes. I'm going to start buying some of those, though.
Oh my God, you ain't bought them yet? There's no excuse for that. Those things $1 a package, and you can't eat everything that's in them. They make a meal in themselves.
What are you talking about?
Those Idaho.
Idaho and potatoes.
Oh, yeah.
There's so many different variations of them, too.
Oh, God, the garlic is the best. But actually,
We have the garlic parmesan.
It's toss-up, man.
they're all good. They are good. Remember when...
You ate them when we were in at
I eat them every time. I've got some now.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
Leslie
Beef
turned
stew?
them on to me,
Man.
and I don't go out in the woods without them.
Yep, me neither. Hungry Jack? Hash browns.
Alright, I'm moving. I'm out of the way.
You guys cooking it?
It's up to you, Stacy. There's enough. That's not as big. No, this ain't nearly as big as the one you caught. It's not even half the size.
I can get my hand around the one I caught.
Yeah, this one's... I couldn't either. This one's way...
Catfish and hash browns for breakfast.
If you're going to eat him, I'll take him up there. If not, I'm not going to take him up there. See how I got the fins? This way he can't, because that's where he wants the horn here, right there and there. And I got the top fin pushed down with my hand.
I don't want to fillet it.
Then you don't want to eat it. Once you get the, I don't want to get all slimy. There's a
Rub his belly.
Huh? Rub his belly. I did that once. It's a female. Get them pliers out of there, would you? Yeah. Catfish slime. That is a good catfish, though. It's a nice one.
It's a good size. That
Yes,
would
it
have been a
is.
good size to eat last
It
night.
would have been. We were eating last night. Yeah. Should be all the way in the bottom. Their heaviest things always go to the bottom of those bags.
Yep.
Big swimming tongue. These things got taste buds all over them.
Ugh.
Their whole skin is nothing but a big...
Nice catfish.
Yes, it is. See? Good catfish, and we release him. Oh, he's just going to stay there. No,
He's confused.
He'll go away. He's fine.
God, you can barely see them. They look just
Yep,
like the
they
freaking
are
dirt.
very well camouflaged. There's no doubt about it. About 70% that I get, but the other 30% get away. Always break some off. Looks good. I thought you were making pancakes.
You keep saying that.
I know.
I keep telling
I'm
you
a little
it's
disappointed that they're not pancakes.
He was excited about pancakes.
I was excited about pancakes. I mean, I'm excited about the hash browns, but not as excited about the pancakes. It's just the way I am.
It's a lot of fucking hash browns, too.
It is.
Right, son.
Here, you just have to go through
This bench is nice.
it. Yeah. Put that back in the weeds, and hopefully nobody will burn it.
Shit.
All right, you're out here. You're allowed to drop your silverware in the dirt out here. Yeah, there you go.
Don't care. A little dirt never hurt. Unless somebody pissed on my tent.
Well, me and Randall cowboy camped last night. No tent, no tarp.
Yeah, and I slept good. I really did.
I did too, except for being alert for invaders.
Should put your earplugs in. Then the invaders
I'd
would've got us.
rather be alert for invaders
I'd rather sleep.
until you get rousted by law enforcement,
Well.
and hillbillies, and on meth.
Meth hyped up hillbillies. Put it right in here.
Are you there?
Yeah, here, look.
Are you there?
I'm here. I'm not going to trigger it, but look, see, it's got the antenna sticking out.
Nice.
Roger, 420.
Cool. All right.
Let
Let me play. Copy that. Oh, damn it.
Everybody wants to hold it up like a phone.
That's right, okay.
Roger, 420.
CQ, Kayak. Trans-American 2112 QRT, standing by. You got a copy on that? Stop that.
What?
That's
what I was feeling last night.
That was funny last time we laughed our ass off when you did that. He said, I'll shake her
So
up.
she finally used it and she told me to quit.
Stop that.
I was like, quit that.
That's the call button, by the way, if you want to make me ring.
Call?
You
Okay,
just
cool.
press it and it'll
Stop
ring
that.
for a little
Quit
bit.
that. All right, let's go. We'll see you about 1:30.
What time is it right now?
It's 9:30. Yeah, that's 5 hours.
9:30. We are on track.
Yeah. It only
Let's
takes me
get
an
out of here.
hour.
This
You
way?
just literally I'll walk up there with you.
You taking it? They get some sort of avian virus sometimes in that.
Yeah, you just and see you can do this really easy in the dark because of those cat's eyes. Those cat's eyes should lead you right up to the trail. No, follow the ATV track. It'll take you right to the trail.
All right, I'm in the swimming in this way.
You're on track. Keep going.
Hey, look at the walkie-talkie through sale. I got a. I'll get my phone out.
Okay. Yeah, I got plenty of battery
Turn it
life.
off right
Yeah, the batteries on these should last all the way 2 to 5 hours.
now. Here recently, man.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna tell it. Hey, I told him
Is this it?
that way. Where? See this? That's what I'm saying. This needs blocked off right here.
This is
And yeah, where the fuck is the?
Spray painted rock.
that is, yeah, Theron spray painted that. That's
Now
the
where's the
trail.
path? Here. There's blazes. Where the fuck is the path?
It's
You see the
totally gone.
blazes?
See, it's all fucked up.
There's the blazes ahead. But where's the path?
Maybe there's the path that goes that
Well,
way.
it used to be. It's this guy's fucked it all up. And then
Yep.
Somebody needs to come back with brown spray paint.
Right there's where the trail is. So the entrance to.
it's right here. Here it is. Right here it is. See, there's the
I
double-
see it.
right here. You even put an arrow on it.
I need to come out. I'm gonna come out here and spray paint that right there.
But that's where we got lost.
But
last
this
time.
needs blocked. So this needs blocked off here.
Put some land.
It needs like fucking a tree dropped
That'll
on
keep
it or
you
something.
from going that way. Put a landmine
See,
right
I
there.
know where the trail's at, and I got fucked up and went ahead. Exactly.
All right, we're good.
All right, I'm gonna head back that
All right,
way.
Thank you.
I'll film your descent in the gully here.
Whenever you're ready to light those afterburners, Stacy. I'm ready to do it too.
Shit, I'm lost and I can't find my way back to the campsite. Fuck.
Oh bullshit, you're not Rob.
I'm almost at the campsite. I seen where we got off trail at. We got off trail almost as soon as we got on trail.
Roger that, your eyes messed up. We do need to do some work on it. We had like in the winter when it's not snowing, that would be cool.
I'm gonna go up and paint some blazes right there at that spot a little bit more. So I'm getting ready to pack up. I think before I leave, if I have enough time, I'm gonna go up there and work on the trail. But I'm gonna go ahead and pack my stuff up. Other than what I'll need to do that, and I'll be ready to go whenever I need to meet Randall and Stacy down at the dam. Still need to clean up the fire. Get some more water to put on it. Yep, cowboy camp last night though. No tent or anything. It was nice out. Nice night. Brought my Mossberg, but didn't Haven't really hunted, unfortunately. That's my new shotgun. And the crossbow. Here's my little turtle shell candle holder I made last night. On my last Mountain Dew. This morning was really pretty, the sunrise and the fog.